What's up YouTube, Danny Flefil here, and today's video is going to be about how to learn the triple clap push-up. Let's start. First of all, you need to be able to do push-ups. First step towards the triple clap push-up is the clap push-up. If you can't do those on the ground, do it on a higher surface. It's a lot easier strength-wise. Remember to always tension your core when doing these push-ups. You will have more power when pushing up. Step 2 is going to be a little bit harder. It's the back clap push-up. Push yourself up as high as possible, then clap behind your back fast and bring your arms back on the ground. If you can't do it on the ground, don't worry, here are the steps for it. Like before, do it on a higher surface, it makes it easier. When you have the control there, do it on the ground, but now bring one leg forward. When you have pushed up, you put the weight of your body on that leg so you have more time to clap. Then clap behind your back and return to start position. When you have mastered that, you do the same thing but with both legs. The goal is to use your legs as little as possible. Step 3 is the double clap push-up, one in front of you and then behind you. Same steps here to learn it. Start out on a higher surface. When you understand how to do it there, go down on the floor, push yourself up, bring one leg forward to put your weight on, do the double claps and return to start position. After that, you do it with both legs, bring them forward to have more time to clap, then work your way towards using less of your legs. Last step is the triple clap push-up. You start with one clap in front of you, then behind you and last in front of you before you land on the floor. Start on a higher surface, learn how to do it there with full control. Then move on to the floor, push yourself up, bring one foot forward to put your weight on it and have more time to do the claps, then return to start position. When doing this move, do it as fast as you can because speed matters here. After that, you push up, then bring both legs forward as much as you need to do the claps and land on the floor again. Work your way towards using less and less legs. So those are the steps to learn the triple clap push-up. Now just go out and work for it and you will have it in no time. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you got what you came for. If you did, press that like button and leave a comment down below on what other freestyle push-ups you want me to do a tutorial about. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe and enjoy more tutorials like these because I'll be posting them every Saturday or Sunday. See you in the next video.